Well, hello to all good people of the world. This is Paul Whittakin returning to you today with the universal law of numbers. And we're concentrating on 666, but the universal law of numbers is 666. And 666 is part of the 9 code because 3 6s make an 18 and that's a 9. 666 comes from the source. It comes from the universal law of numbers. 1 and 2 and 3. 3 and 3 is 6. 4 and 5 is 9 and 6 and 15 is 6. 7, 8 is 15, or with 9 is 24, same thing, it's a 6. Now, surely some of these Kabbalah wizards want to use the 666 code to, hoodwink you and basically brainwash you. So, as well as 666, or 666, we also have 911, 911, 911. So what the Kabbalah wizards understand is, if you of course own all of the press and the media and the newspapers and the radio stations and the television, you can tell a lie 666 times and over and over and over. And sure enough, before you know it, your friends and your family and your neighbors, they're going to be agreeing with the television, with the hoodwinkers, that somehow Israel is a democracy in the Middle East, when clearly it is an apartheid state, a theocracy in the Middle East. And they've created, it's 5 times larger than it was when it was first, since its inception, and it's getting larger and larger all the time until, they want to take all of Syria, all of Iraq, all of, Jordan, parts of, after a while you have to be able to figure out what's going on. And there's never been any attempt towards peace. It's always been occupation, land grabbing through force, and conducting massacres at the same time. Now these are the people who are controlling us at the same time. These are the ones ruling over us. These Jewish oligarchs, these Saudi Arabian sheiks, they have this alliance with American politicians, where all they're doing is all of our money is going to those people, and we are succumbing because we are paying servitude to Saudi sheiks and the likes of Jeffrey Epstein and co. So anyway, 911, 911, 911. Okay? Now, we're going to discuss the Fibonacci code today, and the Fibonacci code comes from the universal law of numbers, and we'll look at these codes, and I will tell you that the codes are 258, 147, 181, 818, 181, 818, and of course 369, 936, 666, 333. They're all the code. It's always all adding up to 9, and that's the point. So basically, this is the Fibonacci sequence, and in order to understand this Fibonacci sequence, you have to be at least as smart as a pineapple, or a cauliflower, or a pine cone, or a snail, because they all know the Fibonacci code, and all plants understand the universal law of numbers. They start with 2, then there's 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and it goes like that. So all of this is built into the plan of nature. So Fibonacci, literally, this, as simple as this, it's one of the great mathematical discoveries, not because of the arithmetic, because of the correlation with nature. So Fibonacci's code goes 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21, 13 plus 13, 34, 34 plus 21, 55, 55 plus 34, 89, and I think you get the picture, and that goes on forever. So the Fibonacci code has its own way of going, embedding itself in nature's codes, but it goes like this: 0. Now I'm going to go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. We get 3, 3, 9, 6, 6, 9. Well, the universal law of numbers has its own. It goes 6, 6, well, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, and it goes 6, 9, 9, 6, 9, 9, 6, 9, 9. So 3, 3, 9 is not exactly the universal law of numbers because it's not. It's the Fibonacci code. But 3 and 3 is 6. You could say 6, 9, 6, or 6, 9, and then this would be a 3 and a 9. So we always get 6, 3, 9, and that's what 666 is. 6 plus 6 is 12 is a 3, plus 6 is 18 is a 9, plus 6 is 24 is a 6, plus 6 is 30 is a 3, plus 6 is 36 is a 9. So we'll start with this one, the green one. 1, 2, 3, green again. 1, 2, 3, green again. 1, 2, 3, green again. It's going to go 1, 5, 7, 8, 4, 2. That's 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. Very good. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1 is 666. Now we'll go to the where it starts with red. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to get 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8. It continues forever. 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8. And once again, that is 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8. Okay, then we'll go down to the next one, which will start at the 2, and it'll go 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. 6, 6, 6, if you like. Okay, the universal law of numbers is in fact a quantity. It is a vector quantity. It has magnitude and direction. So it gives us the direction 4, 8, 7, 5, 1, 2. But here we'll see it as 4, 8, 7, 5, 1, 2. That's the other direction. 4, 8, 7, 5, 1, 2. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, 1. So the universal law of numbers is a vector quantity with both magnitude and direction. Now we're going to basically leave it at that for the moment. No, we won't. Let's just do one other quick thing because when people think of the Fibonacci code, they also think of the golden ratio, phi. So there is a relationship between phi and the golden ratio, and basically it's this. The golden ratio is like 16102,339, and it goes on forever, and it gets more precise and more specific and more exact. But we will get the same thing going on here. Basically what you do is you divide 21 by 13, and you'll get something that's close to 5. But if you go 55 over 34, you'll get something that's even closer to pi. And if you divide 89 by 55, even closer to pi, 144 by 89, even closer to phi, the golden ratio, 233 over 144. Each successive time you will get a number that gets closer and closer and closer to the actual value of phi. All good people of the world, do not pay homage to the Cabal, the Saudi Arabian House of Saud, the Jewish oligarchy, full of all of their pedophiles and warmongering. And basically, we need to come together and agree mutually on one thing, that we're perfectly capable of ruling over ourselves. Thank you.